Through 10 years of challenges and growth, Sunzo Furniture Company has stayed true to their belief in providing the highest quality products and unmatched service, expanding from a 3-person team to 15 experienced staff today. Sunzo has served over 50,000 customers with care and dedication. At Sunzo, no question is too small and no detail overlooked. Sunzo's team takes time to understand each customer's needs and provides comprehensive answers and recommendations tailored to them. Not merely sales, but a guide through the entire purchasing process. For couples, Sunzo offers premium wedding furniture and styling to transform any space into an unforgettable dream venue. Sunzo's designers and master craftsmen pour their passion into every customized piece using only the finest, sustainable materials and time-honored techniques to suit each couple's vision. While fads fade, Sunzo's commitment to excellence, relationships and customer experience is forever. With showrooms across China, Sunzo aims to share their vision for high-caliber design and quality, one client at a time. From statement pieces to complete venue decoration, Sunzo has everything to make any wedding day perfectly picture-worthy. After a decade, Sunzo's mission stands strong: to create enduring beauty and treasured memories through a personal touch and meticulous craft. This is what excellence means at Sunzo. Trust Sunzo to be a part of your special moments, big or small. Experience the difference that caring craftsmanship built on understanding your needs can make. Sunzo, your vision made real since 2008. This script further focuses on highlighting Sunzo's dedication to highly attentive customer service, personalized solutions as well as premium, customized products especially for wedding clients. The key messages revolve around Sunzo's vision for quality, craftsmanship and creating memorable experiences for their customers through a dedicated and tailored approach. Please let me know if you would like me to clarify or expand the script further. I'm happy to revise it to best suit your needs.